Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, this is my ipon challenge this year. Tingnan natin if they have something inside. Ipon challenge. So, kailangan na natin siyang open. Open challenge. Tada! Actually, ito po ay may may 10. Kaso, my sister, I buy sister cellphone. So this is 1K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 700, 7,000 in 1K. And next, this is 100. Yeah. Because I always have a parcel. That's why always, yan. 100 pesos is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. So 700. And 50. 1, 3. Again. 3, 6, 9. 900. So 900 plus 700. 900 plus 700. 900 plus 700 is equal to 1,200. 1,200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7,000 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8,700. Ayan lang naipon natin guys sa loob ng 1 year. So, see you next year again. We don't open that guys because this is ipon challenge till all. There is still a lot of more fun. Thank you for watching.